Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can unlock the block blast glitch, and you can use this method to show off. So let's get on to it. You'll go to the block blast app, and you need to make sure that you select the classic mode. So we are going to be playing in the classic mode. So you need to make sure that you put this vertical block on the bottom right, and you need to make sure that you fill in this line here until these two blocks here are left blank. So you need to make sure that these two are left blank. So another key thing that you need to do is to make sure that you leave one entire line open, and you need to make sure that you don't fill the last two lines vertically. So these ones, the last two lines, you need to make sure that you don't fill them vertically. So that is all about it, and you'll have already unlocked the glitch app on your block blast. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.